Hey guys, doing vlog for today. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. I'm flying to Poland tonight with my friend. I'm so excited kasi matagal ko ng plano or gustong pumunta ng Poland kaso hindi siya natuloy-tuloy. Kasi there's a lot of things na come up. Tapos there's a lot of mind na nag-change para pumunta ng ibang European country. But as of the moment, tuloy na yung Poland and I'm so excited because I don't know why, but every time talaga na I'm checking flights, always Poland yung nasa list ko. And yeah, and tonight it's gonna be happening, so I'm so excited. So just stay tuned.
Solos, tú y yo, por fin. Hey baby, dame luz, haciendo un tattoo que diga yo te quiero.
We need to be ready, guys. The sundo is already downstairs, so we need to go down and let's go straight to the airport. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm wearing a sinsay for my jacket because it seems so cold still. And then I have my sweater from H&M. I have my bag from Sinsay. I have my beautiful boots from H&M. So yeah, let's go! Hey guys, at the airport right now. I'm feeling so hungry, so I ordered over there. Waiting for my food and waiting for my friend. Just stay tuned. Got my food, guys. It's pork spare ribs. Yeah, happy eating. Going to gigs now, guys. Ito po yung trabaho niya, guys. Magpapabango siya. Kapag nagka-travel kami, dadaan dito, magpapabango, magnakaw ng mga pabango. Kasi alam mo naman, na maharlika, hindi siya affordable. Charot! So, dito kami sa duty free para magpabango. Kaloka, diba? Yes, guys. Bago na sumakay sa aeroplano, magpabango muna tayo dito sa duty free. Opa, huli ka.
Pabanguhan mo naman ako dito.
Guys, we're flying. Just landed, guys. Welcome to Warsaw, Poland. Poland. Ang layo ng airport nila, guys. Oy. Nilakad kami papunta doon, guys. Layo baga. But so excited. Yahoo! Welcome to our hotel room, guys. Oh! Dun-dun-dun-dun! Welcome to Poland! Yay! Hey guys, finally we're at our hotel room here in Warsaw, Poland. Oh my god, it's been a while. Or it's been a long time na gusto kong pumunta dito and natuloy na rin siya. So, time check is 2:20 a.m. So, we're supposed to go out but we're tired kasi delayed yung flight namin. Hi, Omega. How are you? Happy pagod.
Here.
Happy pagod.
Pagoda.
So, our plan for tonight is we're going to sleep, rest, and wake up tomorrow morning early para mag-breakfast and we're going to explore the city and we're so excited. Excited ka ba, Jai?
Yeah, sure.
Ang ganda ng room namin, guys. I love it, especially the toilet. It's very amazing. Anyway, we're going to rest now and yeah. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, day 1 here in Warsaw, Poland. Oh my god, we're so excited. We're going down for breakfast. And today is very amazing kasi masyadong mainit sa labas. I'm gonna show you. Ayan oh, basta mainit siya. I don't know how to flip the camera. We're so excited for the coffee. Mukha tang wakwak nung kakain doon. But let's see how it goes. Ay! We're going to eat, guys. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Nagigil nila ako.
In fire emergency, do not use...
Breakfast! Ay, tsaka. Hey guys! We're done our breakfast and we're so full. Nakakaloka, nakaigit na ko. The breakfast was so good. There's a lot of handsome guys. Charat! And today, the itinerary is... Yeah. We just need to like rest a little bit. And then we prepare and then we will go out and we will just explore the city. So yeah, just stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're preparing at the moment. We're going out today and the weather is so good. It's a sunny day and I hope may mga lilim-lilim doon kasi I don't like sun. Ayoko masunog, but oh my god, I'm wearing sunblock so it's fine. But yeah, I'm so excited and just stay tuned. Hey guys, we're going somewhere today. We're in the city center. Ganyan. Tawid kami guys, we're going there. Diba? Nakakaloka. Dapat artihan mo yung paglakad ay para makita ng mga taga dito na, sino tong mga to? Sabi to rin ng mga taga DHL, pag gusto ko siyang isakay dito. Saya! Naliligaw kami. Napagod na kami. Sakit ng paa ko. Char. Hindi ko na alam kung saan kami pupunta ngayon. Nasaan na pa kami? Diba, madam? Magsalita ka dyan. Nagigil ako sa'yo. Nakatakong pa naman siya, guys. Diba? So, malapit na kami, guys. Naligaw na naligaw. Nanakit na yung mga paa dahil nakatakong, diba? Pero laban.
Lalaban!
guys, nakarating din kami pero hindi namin alam kung ano to dito oy. Parang bar, kainan. But we're already here, diba? Amazing. Labas, hindi kami pinapasok. Hindi kami pinapasok, guys. We're so kawawa. Oh my God. Guys, tapos na kaming mag-bar, pauwi na kami sa aming hotel. I think I love Poland. Charot.
Time check.
Time check, it's 4:22 a.m. nakakaloka, di ba? Yung bar dito nagsasara ng alas 6.
True.
Kaso ang tsaka ng mga tao doon. Nakakaloka. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung sayaw nila. May kasal-kasal pa. So, paano gagawin?
Ano yung sayaw nila, yung pang ballroom?
Hindi ko din alam, Jai. So,
Nakakaloka.
dito kami sa kalsada o naglalakad, di ba? Ito yung attraction na sinasabi nila. So, see you later.
Good
Babush.
night.
Breakfast. Breakfast. Ay.
Day 2 breakfast.
Hey guys, we're at Warsaw Old Town. Oh my God, hello. Kaya tour, lakad-lakad. Ang daming tao. Amazing place. Yeah, yeah. Ang layo na nilakad namin sa lakad. Masakit na yung paa ko kasi syempre nakatakot. But we're so happy. Ang dami mga good memories, pictures, and everything. Sa patuloy lang sa paglalakad. Diba? We're at the mall, guys, after walking in the Old Town. We're hungry, so we're at Hana and Sushi Japanese restaurant. I see. Gutom yan.
Yeah.
We're so gutom. Gutom and pagod. Waiting for our order. Dami kong food, guys. Oh. Sarap ng sabaw, ah.
Stacji Łodzi do stacji Warszawa Lotnisko Chopin. Wjedzie na tor drugi przy peronie trzecim.
Hey guys, we're back at our hotel room. Hi sis, pagod yarn. So today guys, we're so happy that we're able to, visit all the churches. Not naman all, but some of the churches. Sobrang saya sa saan ka tayo pumunta sis? Sa Old Town. Bongga kayo siya guys. And then, what I love about here is like, the food are so cheap. Everything are cheap. Tapos, wala. Ang sarap ng weather today. Di masyadong malamig. So, hindi talaga siya malamig actually. So, we're so amazed by today. Ang saya ng araw namin. And yeah, we're back at the hotel room. Rest for a while. And then, I will be going out later. So just stay tuned, guys. Hey guys! Lalakad ulit kami. Nahanap kami ng baret. Pero, medyo malamig tonight, but lumalaban kami kasi uuwi na kami later. Ano na sis, kaya pa ba? Laban pa ba, Jai?
Laban pa ba?
See you there. last day in Poland now. We're going to the airport. And we love Poland. Until next time, Poland. Bye!
Dziękuję.